What if I told you the average driver won't see it coming, but dash cams catch 100% of the evidence when accidents happen? Most people spend hundreds on tech they never need, yet cheap or no dash cam can cost you thousands in repairs and headaches. That's why today we're breaking down the top 5 best budget dash cams in 2026 that actually protect you without blowing your budget. Stick around to see which models made the list, why they matter, and visit the links in the description for the best deals you can score right now. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Orskey S800 dash cam, a surprisingly capable budget dual camera setup that punches above its price point with a thoughtful blend of design, performance, and everyday usability. The S800's compact build and low-profile form make it easy to mount without blocking your view. Yet its sturdy construction doesn't feel cheap, and you even get both front and rear cameras in the box, adding real value for under $50. Video quality sits at Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second with a wide-angle 170-degree lens that captures broad road perspectives with decent clarity, while HDR plus 6 infrared LEDs boost nighttime clarity well beyond what many cheap cameras deliver. It supports essential recording modes like continuous loop recording, motion detection, and a built-in G sensor that locks footage during sudden impacts, a must for safety and insurance protection. What really sets this model apart in its price range is everyday versatility and convenience. A crisp 3-inch LCD makes setup and playback intuitive. It powers on-off automatically with your car's ignition, and the suction mount means installation is straightforward, even for first-timers. While this isn't a 4K champ and low-light performance is good rather than elite, real-world users praise its clear daytime footage, ease of use, and rear camera inclusion, making it a solid choice for drivers wanting reliable everyday protection without breaking the bank. Number 4. 70mm Dash Cam M310. Imagine cruising through city traffic when a close call happens. The 70mm Dash Cam M310 captures every crystal clear detail in 2K QHD, 2304 by 1296p resolution, 1.5 times sharper than 1080p, thanks to its 3-megapixel sensor, f2.0 aperture, and 130-degree wide-angle view covering 3 lanes effortlessly. Its sleek, minimalist design is super portable, tucking neatly behind your mirror without obstructing views, while the compact build and Type-C port make it a breeze to install and charge on the go. Video quality shines day or night with My Color Vivid Plus for vibrant colors and Night Owl Vision for low-light clarity, supporting loop recording, pre-roll emergency clips, 5 seconds before, plus 25 seconds after impact via G sensor, and time-lapse parking mode for 24-hour surveillance when hardwired. For safety, the built-in G sensor locks collision footage securely, alerting you via voice on restart, and low-voltage protection prevents battery drain. Versatility stands out with voice control in English/Mandarin for hands-free photo/video snaps, audio toggle, and hotspot activation, plus app connectivity for seamless Wi-Fi previews, downloads, and settings tweaks on your phone. Convenience is king with a 300 mAh battery for stability, 256GB microSD support, and multi-language options, delivering rock-solid overall performance that's reliable in extreme temps minus 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. At under $50, this budget gem punches way above its weight for everyday drivers seeking pro-level protection without the premium price. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the REDTIGER F7 NP Dash. Cam blends thoughtful design, reliable performance, and advanced features usually found in pricier units, making it an exceptional pick for budget-minded drivers who don't want to skimp on safety. Designed as a discrete dual-channel system, the compact front and rear cameras sit unobtrusively on your windshield and rear window, while the included 3.18-inch screen and supercapacitor power system ensure durability in hot conditions and peace of mind on long drives. When it comes to video quality, this dash cam delivers Ultra HD 4K, 3840 by 2160 footage from the front lens and crisp 1080p from the rear, so you can confidently capture license plates, road signs, and incident details both day and night, aided by superior night vision and a broad 170-degree front plus 140-degree rear wide-angle field of view that minimizes blind spots. The F7NP shines with smart recording modes, including continuous loop recording that overwrites old files automatically, G-sensor auto lock to preserve collision clips, and a 24/7 parking monitor with a hardwire kit, giving you round-the-clock coverage even when your vehicle's parked. Safety and security are boosted further with built-in GPS, tagging your footage with speed and location data, invaluable for insurance claims or legal evidence. On the versatility and connectivity front, native Wi-Fi and smartphone app support let you easily preview, download, and share clips without removing the SD card. And beyond specs, users praise its plug-and-play installation and reliable performance on everyday drives, making the F7NP a dependable travel companion whether you're commuting, road tripping, or ride-sharing. In short, the REDTIGER F7NP stands out in the budget segment for pairing real-world usability with robust performance, earning its spot as an excellent choice for drivers seeking comprehensive protection without breaking the bank. Next up in our countdown is the compact but powerful Viofo A119 Mini 2, a standout budget dashcam that proves you don't need to break the bank for premium performance. Right out of the box, its miniature, discreet design lets it nestle behind your rear-view mirror without blocking your view or drawing attention. Perfect if you value both aesthetics and stealth. When it comes to video quality, the A119 Mini 2 shines with true 2K recording at up to 60 frames per second and maximum 2.7K 2992 by 1944p at 30 frames per second resolution, supported by Sony's advanced Starvis 2 IMX675 image sensor, giving you crisp detail on license plates, road signs, and more, even during challenging lighting conditions, thanks to HDR and Super Night Vision 2.0 enhancements. You also get intelligent recording modes like loop recording with automatic overwrite and a built-in G-sensor that secures footage immediately after an impact, so crucial clips are preserved when it matters most. On the safety and convenience side, it supports 24/7 parking monitoring with hardwire kit, GPS logging for location, speed, and timestamp metadata, and a reliable supercapacitor for better heat resistance and long-term stability. It has a top-notch 1.5-inch LCD, up to 512 GB microSD support, and plug-and-play setup. No fuss, just reliable performance in real-world tests where it excels at night and parking surveillance. What really sets it apart in this price class is voice control, letting you start, stop recording, or take snapshots hands-free while keeping your focus on the road, and ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless video transfer to your phone or app. From versatility and connectivity to everyday usability, the A119 Mini 2 delivers overall performance that punches above its price point, making it one of the most compelling budget dashcams you can buy in 2026 without sacrificing essential features or reliability. Topping our 2026 budget dashcams countdown is the versatile ROVE R2-4K Dual, a dual camera system that punches well above its price class with real-world performance and everyday convenience. Designed to be compact yet feature-rich, this dashcam sits unobtrusively behind your rearview mirror and blends portability with intuitive setup. No bulky hardware required. When it comes to video quality, the R2-4K Dual delivers crisp 4K 3840 by 2160 front footage and 1080p rear coverage, giving you detailed captures of both road ahead and what's behind you, backed by Sony Starvis 2 image sensors that improve clarity and color, especially helpful when recording critical moments on the road. Recording modes include smooth loop recording that overwrites old files automatically, plus handy parking mode with motion and impact detection, hardwire kit required, so you stay protected even when parked. Built-in GPS tags videos with speed and location, adding valuable context to every clip. For safety and security, this model covers you front and rear with wide 150°/140° fields of view, giving extensive situational awareness that's ideal for daily commutes or long drives. Its connectivity and convenience shine through with dual-band Wi-Fi, up to approximately 20 megabytes per second, and smartphone app support for quick file access and sharing. No cables needed. Advanced features like a bright 3-inch IPS display, built-in G-sensor to lock important clips, and included 128GB microSD card mean you're equipped right out of the box. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K Dual combines solid performance, extensive feature set, and budget-friendly pricing into a top pick for drivers who want reliable dual-camera protection and smart connectivity without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best budget dash cams in 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy ending.